How to find square root of 0.0009 by long division method? You need to make first pair. So to make pair, look, before decimal we get whole number part, after decimal we get fractional part. For whole number part we will make pair from this side, your right hand side to left hand side. So this is one pair. We have only single digit, but this is one pair. You can consider here a 0, but you don't need this. Here from the after decimal you need to make pair from this side, 2 pair. Totally you have 3 pair. For whole work on this pair, so you have to take here a digit whose square will be equal to 0 or nearest to 0. 0 squared equal to 0. That is, if you take here 0, 0 squared will be 0. So 0 is the right. 0 times 0, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down the next pair. Before this pair there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Since you have placed here the digit 0, same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add 0 plus 0, 0. Now consider here a digit, same digit will come here. Now you need to multiply. Okay, so you need to place here a digit and same digit will come here. If you multiply, then result should be equal to this or nearest to this. So since this is 0, so of course you have to place here 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 0, 0. You can write any number of 0. So 0, 0, right? 0. 0 times 0, 0. Subtract, you will get 0. Bring down the next pair. Zero, 0, 9. 0, 0, 9 means 9. So as you have placed here 0, same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add 0. You can write also 0, but I don't think so. You should write, or you can write. Now you have to consider here a digit and you need to multiply, and the product should be equal to this. 009 means 9. It is easy. If you take here 3, this 3 must come here. Now multiply 3 times this. 003 times this 3. These 2 0 don't have any value. 3 times 3, 9, then 0, 0. Okay. So 3 times this, 009. If you subtract, you are getting 0. As your remainder is 0, we are done. As you have placed here the digit 3 here, so write 3 and add 3 plus 3, 6. You can write this 0 or not, that is not matter. If you omit this decimal, then the double of 3 is 6. This signals that our answer is correct. So our answer is 0.03. The square root of this 0.009 equal to 0.03.